Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a PDF file on iPhone. So at first open photo apps, select image, click on this option showing you to save to file. Select iCloud Drive. Now I'm create new folder to P, save, and then press on save. Okay, now open file apps, open iCloud Drive, then showing it to image, just long press, quick action, and then showing it to create PDF, just click on to create PDF. Now successfully create PDF. Or if you want to image PDF, click on to select three dot, then click on to create PDF. Okay, now open. So that's it, that's how you can do it.